Hello, today I'm going to talk about the Trader Joe's salted caramel flavored hot cocoa with other natural flavors. This is a 10-ounce tin jar container, and the label here is brown. You have the letters in orange, and it just looks kind of cool, like there are fireworks coming off of it. So I drink this usually as a dessert because it's so sweet. I know a lot of people like to drink hot cocoa as like breakfast, but right now I prefer this one as a dessert item, like after a meal, because it just tastes so sweet, and I like my hot cocoa in the morning if I drink it to be more rich. So this is more like a treat for me. I store it in my cabinet next to my tea, but any cool, dry place will do. My boyfriend loves this too, and he drinks it all the time. And I bought this about 2 months ago. I just had to try it. It's like a light brown cocoa powder, and as you can see, it comes with the measuring spoon here. So all you need to do is take a scoop and put it in at the bottom of your cup, and then fill it up with hot water or hot milk. You can use either one, which is nice. I always prefer to use hot milk if I can. It takes a little longer for me to boil that because I'm not using my electric boiler to do it, but it's usually worth it because I find personally that with water, it tastes more watered down, and it's hard to get that nice rich chocolatey taste. So keep that in mind. You can add marshmallows. I've tried that once or twice with this, and it's such a nice treat, especially if you have guests over and you know it's like a nice rainy day out and you need a nice hot warm beverage to drink, and adding some marshmallows in there is just really fun, really nice. Plus, you can definitely taste the caramel when you drink it. Obviously, I taste the cocoa more, but caramel definitely is a part of this. Just make sure you stir it well because it dissolves, but it takes a bit to stir it. And sometimes that's at the bottom of your cup, so you don't fully realize it. It does contain milk already and coconut. And one serving size has 3 tablespoons, and one serving is 150 calories. So it's 150 calories per serving, and there are about 8 servings per container. It's very, very sweet. I know I keep saying that, but don't add any sugar to it, or honey, or whatever you like to add, agave nectar. Don't add it. It's great if you are having a small get-together or it's snowing outside and you just want some hot chocolate. I had tried the green tea matcha powder before by Trader Joe's, and I decided it was time to switch it up and try one of their other hot drinks and their powders. I know they have like Thai tea, I believe, powder and chai, so this was my next go, and yeah, I'm pretty happy with it. It's very easy to make, and I can definitely taste the caramel, like the flavor is pretty strong. Trader Joe's was founded in 1958, and they make awesome products. I love their products, and I get their products quite often. They are located in California, but they sell nationwide, so you can find it anywhere. This is also a great gift idea. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you get to try this product out. Definitely check out the Trader Joe's products. Thanks so much for watching.